In this video, I'll showcase the heartwarming acts of kindness from lawn care garden workers who perform their work entirely for free. Despite the challenging obstacles in clearing the yard, they carry out their tasks with utmost dedication. All to create a more visually appealing and pleasant environment. If you enjoy videos like this and want to see more, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on similar content. Garden care guru was strolling through his neighborhood when he spotted a severely neglected property at the corner of the street. He decided to knock on the door and met Mel, a single mother struggling to make ends meet. Mel explained that her long working hours left her no time to maintain her yard. The situation had escalated. Local authorities had issued her an official warning, demanding she clean up the yard immediately due to the high fire risk during Australia's summer. As garden care guru began working, he realized the task was far more challenging than it appeared. The yard was completely overrun by kikuyu grass, a tough, vine-like species that's extremely difficult to eradicate if merely cut back. Garden care guru also discovered a large bull ant nest in the yard. These ants deliver excruciating stings, so he had to proceed with extra caution. Additionally, a large tree branch extended nearly a meter into the roadway, posing a serious hazard to drivers at night when visibility was low. Garden care guru opted to pull out the kikuyu grass by the roots in the flower bed area to prevent rapid regrowth. He restored the property's clear boundaries, reviving the home's long-lost street appeal. Mel was deeply touched by garden care guru's kindness and ensured he stayed hydrated while working under the scorching sun. For her, the help went beyond a tidy yard. It lifted the heavy burden of potential legal action from the authorities. Garden care guru emphasized that his goal wasn't just to create videos, but to assist fellow community members in need. The video begins with Spencer from SB Mowing driving around Newton, Kansas, a small town known as a historic railroad city. About 30 minutes from his home, he discovers a house in deplorable condition. The grass has grown so tall that it covers nearly all of the front windows and door. Initially, Spencer assumes someone lives there due to an apparently active security camera and fresh-looking decorations. However, after knocking on the door with no response, he speaks to nearby neighbors. One confirms via their doorbell camera that the house has been vacant for months, and no one knows the owner. The neighbor expresses frustration, noting that the property's state detracts from the neighborhood's appearance. Spencer decides to clean the yard for free. The process starts with edging the borders, clearing soil from the sidewalk and roadside areas using an edger tool. Fortunately, the sidewalk is relatively new, making it easier to remove the overlying dirt from the concrete, then uses a lawnmower to cut the extremely tall and thick grass, working extra carefully due to hidden obstacles concealed by the overgrown blades. The real challenge is in the backyard, where the grass condition is far worse than the front. A noteworthy detail: Spencer intentionally leaves a small untouched section in the front yard. This area features rose bushes and native Kansas wildflowers, including pink black-eyed Susan blooms. He chooses to preserve these flowers, adding a touch of natural beauty to the freshly cleared lawn. Beyond the aesthetics, Spencer delivers a message of neighborly care. He provides this service gratis to support the Newton, Kansas community, a town with deep historic railroad roots. This story comes from Spencer of SB Mowing, who received an email about a house located directly behind a building near his home. The house once belonged to a married couple, but after both passed away, the wife about 3 years ago, the property was left abandoned. Its front and backyards had transformed into dense thickets of overgrown vegetation. Spencer spoke with local neighbors to understand the situation. A heartbreaking tale emerged. The husband died first, and the wife continued meticulously tending to her garden and lawn on her own. One day, a neighbor noticed the water hose at the house running continuously, with water spilling everywhere. Upon checking, they discovered the wife had passed away on the porch. Tragically, no one had spotted her sooner because the property was shielded by a tall hedge of plants. With the owners gone, weeds overgrew rampant, detracting from the neighborhood's appearance. Spencer decided to clean the yard for free as a tribute to the late owners, who had once cherished their garden so dearly. Once completed, the property looked neat and beautiful again. Remarkably, just as Spencer finished, a real estate agent arrived to photograph it ahead of an upcoming auction. Spencer hopes the now pristine yard will help the house sell quickly and be lovingly maintained by a new family. This is more than just mowing a lawn, it's about supporting the community and honoring someone's legacy. The video teaches that sometimes a simple act like cutting grass can be the best way to pay respects to the departed and restore comfort to a neighborhood. Phil, a lawn care specialist from Phil's Lawn Care channel, was driving by when he spotted a house with an extremely overgrown yard. The grass had grown wildly out of control because the previous service provider never returned. When Phil offered free help, he met the homeowner and a man named Romeo. Midway through the job, Romeo approached Phil. Honestly introducing himself as a former gangster who had turned his life around, Romeo shared his story. Despite his physical limitations and dark past, Romeo affirmed his desire to leave his old life behind and work hard instead, then offered to assist Phil in completing this major project. Phil hesitated at first, as he typically worked alone, but Romeo proved his words through action. Although Phil understood only about 20% of what Romeo said due to his mumbling speech, the two communicated effectively through gestures and hands-on work. During the process, Romeo discovered a hidden utility box buried under the tall grass and promptly secured it on the porch to protect it from Phil's mower. With remarkable dedication, Romeo worked for several hours, helping to clear branches, pull weeds, and tidy up tree debris. Toward the end, Phil's mower hit something hidden in the grass, causing a flat tire and forcing an early stop. Even so, the yard's transformation was stunning. From a jungle-like mess to a neat, clean space. Phil was immensely grateful for Romeo's help. In appreciation, he gave Romeo all the cash in his wallet, about $80, for his hard work. Romeo even offered Phil his lunch, a kind gesture that deeply touched him. Phil left with a message: be kind to someone. He expressed profound thanks to Romeo, a man with a difficult past who chose to help others rather than return to his old ways. In a quiet corner of the city stands a house that has become a nightmare for its neighbors. Overgrown and neglected, its wild bushes have even encroached upon the public sidewalk. The elderly homeowner can only reminisce about the home's former glory, now feeling powerless to maintain it. Enter garden care guru with a simple mission, offering free weekly services. He knocks on the door and extends a helping hand. The owner agrees, albeit with a hint of skepticism. This transformation is no mere lawn trim, it's an excavation mission. Beneath layers of soil several inches thick lies a beautiful stone pathway. Behind the chaotic shrub wall hides a wooden gate, one the owner may have long forgotten. Despite a sudden downpour and the need to watch for snakes lurking in the underbrush, the creator presses on. He frees a bird of paradise plant choked by overgrown hedges and trims back tree branches obstructing the path. The stunning result? A once dismal, eerie property now breathes anew. The homeowner is deeply moved, seeing his yard restored to its pristine state from decades ago when he first moved in. This video isn't just about garden cleanup, it's about reclaiming a home's dignity and restoring joy to its resident. What was once a neighborhood eyesore has transformed into a jewel on the street corner. This makeover proves that nothing is truly beyond repair with a little time and care. That day, not only did the yard come back to life, but so did the homeowner's spirit, allowing him to gaze proudly out his window once more.